100. Flat crest, 30. 5 right. Into 4 left. Opens 100. Flat long crest, 70. 5 right. Opens of a crest, 120. Turn square left. Don't cut. 80. Turn unseen square left, don't cut. 60. 5 left of a crest, opens 150. Flat crest, 100. Flat crest and jump, 150. Long flat crest and 6 right, opens of a crest, 180. Crest, slow 50, turn unseen square right, don't cut. 30. Turn unseen square right, caution don't cut. Opens 50. Flat crest, 80. Flat left of a long crest tightens into 4 right of a crest. 100. 5 left, 50. Flat crest into 4 right of a crest. Into 4 left long tightens. Into 4 right long, opens flat of a crest. Into 5 left of a crest. Into slow 5 right, immediate turn happy left around Bales. 200. Flat jump, 80. Bump into 6 left long, opens flat of a crest, 150. Into 5 right, opens 130. Don't cut 5 right, 40. Turn 4 right, don't cut. 40. Turn square left, don't cut. 250. Slow long crest, into turn 3 left. 250, downhill. Turn 2 right, tightens narrow. 80, flat of a long crest, 80. 4 right, tightens of a bump, into 5 left, opens. Slow 5 left long, tightens turn unseen 1 left, opens 50. 4 right, opens 120, you'll have a finish, turn unseen 1 left, don't cut to stop.